Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by installing Gboard and granting permissions, because Google's voice typing runs through that keyboard. Once installed, go to Settings General Keyboard and add Gboard as a new keyboard, then allow microphone and full access. You must switch to Gboard inside any app by tapping the globe icon. That activates Google's microphone icon. Once the mic appears, tap it to begin dictating. Speak naturally and include punctuation verbally for better accuracy. Now focus on how you dictate and refine. Tap the mic to begin. Speak clearly and say punctuation. For example, say period or comma when needed. If you use two languages, open Gboard settings and add the other language so Google recognizes both. While dictating, watch suggestions above the keys and tap them to correct words without retyping. You can also tap a word to edit by voice again. Make short pauses to let the engine process longer sentences for cleaner results. To finish, tap the mic to stop recording, then review and send or save the text inside your app. Make sure the app has permission to access the clipboard or text fields, and if speech seems off, confirm settings privacy microphone shows Gboard allowed. If you still get no audio or poor recognition, restart your phone, and if needed, reinstall Gboard to reset permissions. One key troubleshooting tip: grant microphone and full access again. That resolves most failures to capture voice.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.